Okay, so I got these three. These are Ficus Elastica Moonshine. So the same as my rubber plant, but just a different flavour.
Yeah.
And I got one for me, one for Megan, and then I just got an extra in case anybody in the group wanted one.
Okay.
But as I'm the first here, and the rubber tree is, you know, since the fern went, the Boston fern, Norfolk pine.
The Norfolk pine, yeah.
Since I killed that.
Yeah.
And so that's now your favourite. You get to choose which one we add into it.
Into that?
Yeah. So
that's a big responsibility.
I know, right? So this one, like, they're really, these used to be so expensive because they were so rare. These were $9.95, 97 from Vandermeer's in Whitby or Ajax or one of those areas. And this one has, like, you can see, really beautiful variegation and some new leaves coming, but it also has, look, a little pup here and a little pup there. I'm not showing that, but there are little pups on the bottom of that one. This one is a little, the leaves are a little bigger. Still nice variegation and new growth coming. You can put them side by side. And then this one also has some pups at the bottom. Not quite as pink, but that doesn't say anything. That doesn't mean anything. And new growth. They're all pretty good specimens. So choose, come on. You like that one?
Yeah.
Not that one?
That one.
Not this one?
That one.
All right.
See how she, like, says pick one, and then she's like,
but pick that one.
Pick that one.
But pick that one. No, I like this one. It's beautiful.
Okay.
It's kind of an in the middle of these two, I would say.
No, it's the best one.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Hey. So Ian picked this one. So I'm actually going to put it in. This is my Ficus Elastica, and in the bottom here, this is a Taniki. And on the other side here, I am going to put the new little Moonshine. And this pot, really big pot with drainage and an attached saucer that you can detach. Wait, can I show you that? Detach, which I do to water. Was $2 from the dollar store, and look, it matches my kitchen with the blue. So before we do that, I am just going to take this out of here. I don't like, I need to move you over or lower you down so you can see. I don't like throwing this soil away. It's really good soil. Ian's just milling around in the background. I don't know what. What are you doing?
I was plugging in clean stuff.
Okay. So I'm not messing with it too much. I'm just, but there's great roots. There's nothing rotting here. The soil is awesome. And you can see, so you know, we have really long roots down here. And here's some nice little leaves, but still a little beautiful little plant. So I'm just going to use a spoon, and I'm just going to gently move the soil over to fit this in. There's lots of roots in here too. I repotted this summer, which I think is probably one of the reasons why it's giving me such big leaves. I need to just go a little deeper. Don't want to disturb the roots too much on this, on my big ficus. Now I have checked this plant for bugs. I've had it for 5 or 6 days. I have checked it for bugs every day, I would say. And no signs of bugs. And the other plants that I've had from Vandermeer's have always done really well. And a good kind of telltale for me is having a look through the soil to see if I see anything moving. And like not even a springtail in here, honestly. So I would imagine that they use some kind of systemic. Do you see her in there? How cute she is. See if I can pull you forward. And I move this out the way. Wait, which one is causing the shadow? all of them. But there she is. She looks so cute in there with the ficus. I'll do you a rundown. I'll show you from top to bottom as you go along. The sneaky's doing well too. Since it wasn't doing well when it was in its own pot, but since I added it in here, it's been doing awesome, which could be one of two things, honestly. It could be that it just likes being in this pot, but also that I give it more care because it's in here. Could be a reason, because I really do love this plant. I'm gonna need to get her a bigger stake. She's tipping a little. She's a little top heavy now, and she's tipping a little bit, but I need to decide if I'm gonna chop her, guys. I really don't want to, but she might be getting too top heavy. We'll see. We'll see how she does over the winter. Okay, so there's little plant chore done. And she looks adorable.